Hey guys, a very good evening, guys. Yesterday only I had completed 15. Provided you 15 questions. So today also I will be providing another 15 questions, and all together I will be providing the answers on most probably Saturday or Sunday. So please make sure you are going to solve these questions by yourself and try it, guys. It will be helpful for you. This is a very best practice to solve any of the MCQs. So 16th question is on your screen, 16th as well as 17th. You can pause the video, guys, and then take it down, and no briefing, no explanation, because whatever the content is present here I have already described in my previous video, so you can go through that links. Okay, question number 18. Question number 19. Question number 20. Guys, I think this is pretty much clear in respect to yesterday's slide. So question number 21. You can pause the video, guys, and then take it try to solve the question. Okay, so 22nd. Guys, please make sure that you are going to solve these questions by yourself and analyze yourself at what pace you are currently going through. So because this is a very good practice of solving or like preparing for any MCQ type exams. Like you have first you need to analyze all the questions and provide your logic and provide your analysis to that question, then go for the answers. Okay, guys, so 24th question is in the segregated form, so I will be providing first part in a few seconds and another part in another few seconds. Okay, guys, here it is. Okay, so question 25th. Okay, so we are going through last set of questions. 27th question is on your screen. Okay, question 28. Question number 29. And guys, this is the last question of today's video. So, and guys, any query, suggestion, doubts, and if you have any if you found any discrepancy in the answers which I have provided earlier, so you found that this is not the particular answer which whatever I have provided you, please feel free to reach me and please provide me in the message box. I'm happy to help you out, guys. Till then, take care. Bye bye.